Hi everyone, let's finish the last chapter for Form 4 accounting, correcting errors. Even if your trial balance looks perfectly balanced, trust me, mistakes can still happen. Don't worry, it happens to everyone, even the pros. Now, there are a few types of mistakes you might find in your accounts. First up, errors of principle. Imagine you record office equipment as an expense instead of an asset. Oops, that's an error of principle. It happens when you break an accounting rule. Next, errors of omission. This is when you completely forget to record a transaction. Let's say someone paid you, but you didn't put it anywhere. The money is there, but the record is missing. Then there's errors of commission. This is when you make a mistake, but in the right type of account. Maybe you meant to write $200 in a mods account, but you accidentally put it in City's account. And the last one? Compensating errors. This one's tricky. It happens when two mistakes cancel each other out, so your totals look balanced, even though there are hidden errors underneath. It's like when you accidentally add $50 too much in sales, but also $50 too much in expenses. Your totals match, but both numbers are wrong. So how do we fix these? The hero here is the general journal. I'll make a correcting entry with a clear explanation of what was wrong and how I fixed it. For example, if I recorded $100 as $10, my journal entry will explain the correction and show the right amount. After fixing mistakes, sometimes I need to update my financial statements. That's how I make sure my accounts are accurate and reliable. It's like cleaning up your homework before you turn it in. You want it to be perfect. Let's try an example. Imagine I forgot to record cash received from a customer. I'll go to the general journal and write, debit cash, credit accounts receivable, with a note explaining the correction. Easy. Remember, everyone makes mistakes in accounting. The important thing is knowing how to find and fix them. With practice, correcting errors will become much easier, and your financial reports will always be accurate. That's all for Chapter 9, Correcting Errors. Keep practicing and you'll become an expert at spotting and fixing mistakes. See you in the next lesson.